Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Forex Feast channel. And you know what we're about on this channel? We're here to provide the average regular Joe trader with the knowledge and skills necessary to go into this Forex markets and feast in profits. I am your humble, gracious, and grateful host, Sunday Okigwe, at your service. Okay, so jumping into day 9, guys, I've already entered a trade, and the trade is looking quite beautiful right now. Um, right now, we're looking at the trading view chart, but I'm going to switch over to the MetaTrader 4. But you can see right here that I have my stop loss and my take profit mapped out in this area right here. And you can see that price is moving well into the take profit territory and should reach this top right here. But as the trading rules go, I am well above the area where I need to start taking some stuff, some positions, I should say, out of the market. So we're gonna switch over to the MetaTrader 4 so we can see that better. Okay, so we're at the MetaTrader 4, and you can see that price is within that range where we need to take half of the positions off. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm in for the $10 10-cent lots. So we're going to go ahead and take half of that off. Let's see. Okay. So uh, in taking half of the positions off the table, we have officially come back from the loss of day 7, and we are now in the profits heading towards that $10,000 milestone. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here, and hopefully within the next, I'd say, hour or so, because we're kind of an hour and a half or roughly 2 hours away from the London session. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it right here. And once we start the video back up, we should be able to see if we were able to collect um, the rest of the profits, if price was in fact able to hit take profit, which is up here somewhere. I know you can see it in that zone right there, or if price hit stop profit. Okay, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm moving stop loss into stop profit. Okay, so that's roughly about I think 3 pips is too much. Let's get it down a little bit. Okay, all right, so price is about 2.2 pips into profit. So if the stop profit gets hit, that's going to add an additional $80 and change to the total. But so far so good. So far so good. So hopefully during the next update, we should have some good news about this trade. All right, guys. See you in a few. Take care. Okay, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. As you can see, we're just in time to see this hit take profit, and when it does, price is going to be well above. Oh my God. First of all, before I go ahead and recap this, I might as well just kind of go over a few things. First of all, from last video, I was experimenting with fluctuations in the sounds of my accent. So I hope you guys got a real kick out of that. Um, but finally, this happened in the wee hours of Friday morning. This is 2 a.m. So it's not even officially the London session yet. We are still in pre-London, and price has hit take profit for the $10,000 milestone. Okay, right now we are officially at $10,180.97. Okay, and this is roughly 9 days into the challenge. Taking 3,000 to 100,000, that is the ultimate goal. But we have gotten to within 10% of that goal in 9 days. So if I'm doing the math correctly, uh, roughly 90 days time, okay, anywhere from 90 days to 100 days time, we should be able to hit the 100K ultimate goal. That is if we continue to get 10,000 at this current pace, which again, I am not expecting that to happen. Okay, I am not expecting that to happen at all, because we're going to go in and we're going to attack the market and take from the market what the market um, shows us. Okay, we're not going to force anything. We're not going to be in here chasing any trades. Okay, we're not going to be looking for things to happen, for miracles to happen, for price to reach areas that are, unrealistic. That's not what we're about. We're going to conduct sound technical analysis, and then from that sound technical analysis, we're going to set our entry price, our entry levels rather, set our take profit levels, and set our stop loss levels, and also set our trailing stops to reach a certain level when price has climbed into profits, so that we can always secure the bag. So that's the main goal. But as you guys see, the take profit was hit, and we're now looking at a five-figure account. So that does it for this week. I'm not going to go in and try to do anything else. We're good to go as far as this is concerned for this week. What I'm going to do tomorrow, however, or actually later on today, is I'm going to wait for the New York session to close, and then I'm going to set up the weekly analysis and forecast for next week. So far, from what I see, and we haven't concluded the Friday session, so this would be premature for me to say this, but from what we can see right now, we know that market still has a ways to go, because what we saw was essentially price was still ranging, but price was ranging at two different resistance and support levels. Okay, even though the overall move of the market is still in the upwards trend, there was still a lot of ranging, just like last week. If you look at this, you look at this chart right here. This is still the 1 hour chart. You can see that last week, as a matter of fact, I think TradingView shows this better. Give me one moment. Okay, so you see, with the TradingView, you can see that last week represented in the lavender colored areas. Okay, here's the resistance area, here's the support area. Maybe we can push this back a little bit. You can see that last week price pretty much ranged between the support and resistance areas, okay, represented by the lavender color. Okay, now take a look at this week. Okay, it's safe to say that price has been ranging between this area right here, this area right here, and this area roughly. Okay, but between, I'd say, I want to say the last 12 hours or so, price has in fact broken above this area and tested this new zone right here. Okay, and when price gets into the zone right here where it's kind of it's kind of unpredictable. Okay, well, actually, no, let me not say that, because the last time price got into this area right here, it rejected massively, and that's what it looks like it's getting ready to do here. So we'll see, I mean, we're just getting started. The 2 o'clock hour just started 5 minutes ago. This is still officially pre-London. We're not in the London session yet for another hour. So, price could definitely go in here, and then, when when the London market opens, it could push the price up further, or it could bring price down and have it crashing down, excuse me, to this area right here. Okay. Um, back into the range essentially. But in any case, As you guys can see from TradingView and from MetaTrader 4, excuse me, price definitely hit take profit. Initially, what happened was I opened up with a $10 10-cent lot, which is my standard lot size for opening up positions that I am pretty confident about and I have strong convictions about. I saw that price rejected into this area right here and started moving up bullish, and I got in right there at the line. Once I saw that price had closed above the line, I got in with this subsequent candle that seemed to be climbing even ahead of the previous candle. Got into my buy position and rode it about halfway before price started uh, entering that range where I have to start considering taking half of the positions off the table. It was around 900 or $800 when I did that. So I took half of the positions off, and then I let the other half go to take profit, which was roughly another $1,000 or so, another $1,000 and change. So this really turned out well, and we in fact got to our goal, and I'm happy, and I'm content for the week. I hope you all can say the same. If you're not able to say the same, look, don't give up. Keep trying. Uh, keep trying, because listen, if you don't try, then you are guaranteed to lose. Okay, but at least when you try, you give yourself a chance. Block out all the distractions, because they're going to be numerous distractions, from friends, from family, from people you love, from people you hate. Just focus, take in the information, take in the education, challenge yourself, but more importantly, do not give up. Okay, and these results, as you can see, they're not far fetched, if you continue to focus and apply yourself. Okay, more importantly than being able to get profitable in the market is being able to manage risk and manage losses. How you react when the market goes against you is just as important, if not more important, than how you react when the market goes in your favor. All right, so that does it for me, guys. I'm going to conclude right here. Um, Tomorrow is likely going to be a no trade day for me. I'm just going to be going over my notes and preparing an analysis video for next week. So unless something magical happens in the markets, you all should not expect to see a trade video from me for tomorrow, or for later on today. Sorry. But anyway, until the next time I speak with you all, I wish you all the best as far as trading is concerned. If you enjoy the content, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you get alerted when these videos drop. Okay? And till the next time, guys, take care. Have a wonderful weekend.